Today I'll be presenting a presentation on hand control and detection using AI. Our group members are Deep Thakur, Anuj Vishumdar, Premjit Ghosh, and Rupak Mujumdar, and our guide is Mr. Sudeep Pradasa. So here are the contents of our presentation. So let's start off with this. Controllers, who needs them? In our ever-growing world of technology and its ease of use, um, things like keyboards and mice are slowly going to go the way of the dinosaur and become extremely outdated because gesture based controllers are just far more intuitive and easy to learn. And let's not even begin to talk about how it'll aid people with disabilities or people working at construction sites or hospitals. So literature reviews. Gesture-based controls are something that has been in development for the last 20 years, but until recently, it's required expensive external technology like Microsoft's Kinect. But with the power of AI, we can streamline the process and make systems that don't require any external extra expensive technology. So what technology are we using here? For hand detection, we're using OpenCV for capturing video from the webcam, converting color formats, and displaying the process frames. It handles real-time video inputs and renders visual elements like FPS, counters, and circles on hand landmarks. MediaPipe, on the other hand, provides a deep learning model that detects hands and tracks 21 key landmarks. I will go into detail in a bit. So AI model architecture. So we are basically using CNNs, regression based landmark prediction, and temporal smoothing using Kalman filters for our project. So we did look at a few MediaPipe alternatives like OpenPose, TensorFlow hand pose, and YOLO hand detection, but in the end we found that MediaPipe was the best for our specific use case. So what are hand landmarks? There are 21 key hand landmarks that are mapped out in this way on our hand, and each specific point or landmark is independently tracked in real time. So as you see here, each landmark is tracked in three-dimensional space using x, y, z coordinates, and each coordinate has an accompanying ID, and through that we can track the points or hand in real time. So we are implementing certain gesture controls like this pinch gesture control where the Euclidean distance between my thumb and my index finger is calculated in real time, and that specific distance is mapped into our program, and it's converted into certain percentages which which are similar to our volume percentage, so that way we can control our computer's volume with just a hand gesture. As you can see here, this is our gesture prototype in action. There are ample UI elements to portray what's going on screen, and it's as user friendly as we could make it with our skills and the tools we had. And the percentage counter doesn't exactly correlate with the computer's volume controls, but it's exact enough for it to be as seamless as possible. Thank you.